I know where's my heat. Finna call up my little freak. I know she be charging these niggas, cause that little pussy not cheap. I just went and took off on, ran off with bags of shit. Next week it's all gone. I know you proud of me. Draco two-tone, still locked in with the mo. Nothing but a whole bunch of hoes. Bustin' it, grabbing my roll. Poppin' it, poppin' it. Shroud, 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 shroud. I know where's my heat. Finna call up my little freak. I know she be charging these niggas, cause that little pussy not cheap. I just went and took off on, ran off with bags of shit. Next week it's all gone. I know you proud of me. Draco two-tone, still locked in with the mo. Nothing but a whole bunch of hoes. Bustin' it, grabbing my roll.
Hey, my name is Tariq Sharif. I'm the co-founder of Rolling Loud. Me and my partner Matt, we started this with a dream to bring hip-hop around the world. And look where the fuck we are, all the way in Vienna. Hey, if you got love, let me get some hearts ready. So look, we got a great weekend for you guys. We got Nicki Minaj headlining tonight. We got Playboy Cardi headlining tomorrow night. But for now, we got my brother, literally, we come from the same blood. My two brothers, DJ Scheme and Ski Master Slump God. If you ready for Ski Master, let me get
Let's do it.
Fuck you,